What's going on? Let's talk about Kickoff. Kickoff is a credit builder account. When you sign up with them, they're going to give you a $750 credit card. Hold your horses, though. You're not going to be swiping up a storm with this card, I promise you. You can only use this card for Kickoff purchases. So on a Kickoff store, you can buy like self-help ebooks, things you aren't going to be interested in, I promise you. But guess what? You're going to get those good payments reporting to your credit report every month. Outside of this credit card, they have a Kickoff loan. The loan is a 12-month term loan. It's going to cost $10 a month. Pay that $10 a month, you got the good payments reporting to your credit report every month for that loan. And at the end of it, you get that $120 back. So these are two more lines of credit you can put on your credit report to get those positive payments on there, get that score up, take your shit from zero to hero. Stay tuned for more credit hacks and check out my page for more ways to build your.
If you try and build your credit, that is not the best way to do it. It's a nice addition, but I wouldn't do that. I would stick to your traditional secured credit card or just unsecured credit card if you're able to get it through your credit union, which don't charge you any fees. And then also they offer personal loans at a credit union at a better rate than what you would get anywhere. So I would go ahead and do an installment loan with them and do it for at least 2 years. Do not listen to what that guy says. He does not understand. That won't get you your credit score from zero to hero. That was hilarious, because this is the reason. So when you have $120 loan, I was like, that's not really going to do much for your credit. Doesn't really establish when you go to apply for your next loan. It's not a bad method, because he is right. You are going to go ahead and build your payment history, at least with that. But yeah, I want to overall do, it's not the best way to really build your credit. Again, it's going to be either getting a credit card and an unsecured loan through your credit union, because credit unions are for the people, and I've worked at a credit union and proven loans. So follow me for more tips. Need some help with your credit, go ahead and book me. Put my email below.